Hello friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how to write the first code, blink LED, and how to make a circuit in a Proteus. So I will open this software as you can see here and click this blue icon, Schematic Capture. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see another environment where you can drag and drop the different components. Like if you want to add a resistor, capacitor, or other components on this canvas here in the middle, you can click on this icon and go to analog Bluetooth capacitors, and different types of capacitors are available, different values. You can also define your own values if you want, and you can select any capacitor like this one. This one is SMD capacitor, and you can draw different types of circuit like that. So you can also zoom in by using your mouse wheel, zoom in and zoom out in this environment. Let's just delete this circuit, and as you know, the Arduino first code is void setup and curly bracket starts, in mode, built-in LED output, and void loop, parentheses, and then curly brackets again, digital write LED pin high and delay 1 second, and digital write LED pin, which will be in our case is 13. So I will change it to 13. And compile the code. Code is compiled successfully. So here I have to bring in the Arduino. Here I have the Arduino library. I have Arduino Mega, Arduino Mini, Arduino UNO, DS1307 RTC module. This is a real-time module, and so on. So I will bring in the Arduino UNO, and we have to blink the LED, so we need an LED also. You can also search the LED. Now we have the analog primitive LED light emitting diode. You don't have to select this one, you have to select active LED like this one. You can select yellow, red, green, blue, anyone you want. So I will select this green, and all the components that I have selected is here. So let's take a resistor. Just type resistor, it will come up in the menu. So there are, as I said, there are lots of resistors in this environment. So you can bring in the 220 ohm resistor. So you can type just 220 ohm resistor. So it will just bring in the 220 ohm resistor. Here it is. So I have 3 components here. So just bring in the Arduino UNO, LED, and the resistor. You need another component, which is a ground component. This is the ground component. Bring it here. Now drag this Arduino UNO, arrange the components in a pattern. So you can arrange the circuit. Now you want to flip or rotate this LED or component, you can just use numpad plus and minus like so, and connect this resistor with LED, and this ground component, just select it and connect with the resistor. And now click the LED anode terminal with pin 13 of the Arduino UNO. As you can see, I can zoom in and show you the circuit. You can also rearrange the components if you want, like that. Simple is that. Like so. So how we gonna simulate this LED with this our code is works or not? So I will just simple compile this code and nothing will happen. So in the description here you can see, I can just make it bigger. There's nothing to show. The thing you need to do is to go to File, Preferences, and check this box, Compilation, and click on OK. Now compile the code again. Now you are seeing something is happening in the description. Now you have to copy the file link, which is elf file. Here it is. Now I cannot right click and copy the option from the drop down menu. You just can select the control copy option, and now you can go to the Proteus and double click on this Arduino UNO. Here it is, program file. Paste this link, click OK, and now I will press this play button. You will see this LED will start blinking. So here we go. Here it is, LED is blinking. It has 1 second delay, as it is mentioned in the code. 1 second. We can just reduce it to 500. So we can see that will this code works, or LED will start blinking faster or not. So I reduce the time to the half. I will copy the code again, copy the link again, sorry. Here you can, this is the file. If you cannot find this link, this file link is in the description with the elf extension. You can see ino.elf. Just press Ctrl C to copy and stop this simulation. You will see some messages here. Double click and replace the link and OK, and now compile the code. Now run this code on the Arduino simulation. Now you can see the blinking rate is faster than before. So you can do that in your home. Before buying any component, you can simulate here and check your code is working or not. So let me show you another thing. You can go to Tinkercad. This is also a simulation website. I already made a tutorial about it before, and you can also check that in the description. I will show you again. This website is has better visuals than Proteus, but Proteus is just offline thing. I have so many projects here, you can see. Like that, I have made so many projects. So I will go to create new circuits. Here you can see on the right side there are lots of components. Click on all components, bring in the resistor, same circuit as we draw in the Proteus. Bring in the LED, which is red, and the Arduino. But in this environment you have only Arduino UNO because it is widely used. Let's make a circuit. Let me arrange it. In resistor with the pin 13 and the anode of resistor with LED and LED cathode with the ground pin of the UNO. You can see that I can change the color of those wires as well. You will see the menu appear here. It's not showing because of slow internet connection, by the way. So how you will simulate? You have the code here. It's a block code. You can also see the text code. It's written here. It says pin 13 high and pin 13 low after 1 second. So I will start the simulation and the LED is blinking. Same thing is happening here. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.